this has been an incredibly difficult time for everybody across Northern Ireland, and I think we have been learning as we go in terms of how we deal with COVID-19. Of course, it has changed direction, it has changed course throughout all of this. As you know, in the Republic of Ireland, they had a 5-week very harsh lockdown before Christmas, and then they found themselves in a worse position than we are at the moment. So, you know, you can look back with hindsight and said, you should have done this, you should have done that. But actually what we're dealing with is a virus that changes direction, which spreads more virulently. And what we took the decision on at that point in time was listening to the voices of the medicals, of course, of the medical advice, of course, but also listening to the voices of those people who had not been able to open up their coffee shops and hairdressers for 4 weeks. They were in dire straits. So we give them an opportunity to open, bearing in mind the fact that it made 0.05 of a difference to the hour at that point in time. So I believe that we did take the right decision at that point in time. Of course, we'll all, as government ministers, be looking back on how we took these decisions over a period of time, and there'll be plenty of time for reflection over the coming years. But at this moment in time, what we're focusing on is saving lives, on protecting our hospitals, on protecting the NHS, and making sure that we have enough capacity in our NHS to deal with these issues, because of course at the moment, Fiona, we're just at the very peak of our hospital capacity issues. It's why our health minister felt the need to ask for military assistance this week. He's asked for 110 medics to come across to give him that assistance. I think that's absolutely the right decision. I'm very pleased that we have that capability to ask for that assistance in Northern Ireland when we get to that pinch point. So I think we are working together in the executive. Of course, as a 5-party coalition, there will be bumps along the way. Every jurisdiction, every administration has had challenges, Fiona, during this crisis that we're all facing into. But in a 5-party coalition that had just very recently come back together again, I think we have worked well together, and we will continue to do what is right for all of the people of Northern Ireland.